All right, I'm going to show you how to know which liquidity sweep, the previous daily high, a session high, session low, whatever, and then if your fair value gap is going to work or not. I'm about to show you in this video right now. Starting right now. There's not going to be an ad. There's not going to be this thing to tell you which prop firm to use and et cetera, et cetera. First of all, this is 930 right here. Okay. We're going to come up to, well, the US Open. So 914 and we're coming up to 930. Where are you? 930, 927, 931. There you go. Okay. That's good enough. Now, what do I have marked out? Just my previous daily candle. So, 1800 to 1800. And then we have our previous daily high marked, which is right here, previous daily low marked. And then we have our London high and London low, Asia high, Asia low. Okay. So that's it. That's all that we've got marked out on the chart. And what we're looking for is a sweep of one of the levels or a lower high, lower low, fair value gap to confirm, etc. And then we target the next level, right? Just some basic ICT type trading. So what do we see happen? What we see at 8 a.m., we see a breakup and a sweep of London's high right here. And then we get a rejection at previous daily high. Actually, did that touch it? Let's see. Let's actually put that right on there. No, it didn't. So we get a rejection at previous daily high, comes down, higher low, and then we make a lower high. Okay. And what happens then? So we look at it, it drops down through here. We still don't have anything. We're at 930. We're looking for some imbalance so that we can get into the trade. And there we go. Now we have a 1 minute time frame. Fair value gap that's respecting the previous daily high is creating lower highs and now lower lows. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a retracement into the fair value gap here, and we short and we do something like this. Oh, not that. And we move our stop to here where the candle is that we are shorting. And then what are we going to target? We're going to target some liquidity down here, or we're going to target previous daily lows, or I'm sorry, that's session low or previous daily lows right here. Maybe a 1, 2, 3 TP, right? And then we let the trade run. And what happens? We get stopped out, and then price immediately goes straight back up. What did we do wrong? Well, I mean, nothing really. We had a sweep, right? Which 8 a.m. is considered the real US Open. So we had a sweep of a session. We had a drop, price went up. We created an imbalance, drop down. So we're considering that we're going bearish, and we entered the trade because we're taught to trade reversals and sweep the next session. Now, let me show you something real quick. What about when you look at something like this? When you look at this right here and you see that price is actually bouncing off this zone here. What is this zone? This zone is the daily candle turned into a zone of value. See that? And this is what it looks like at 930 right here. And we're going to go back to 930. Now, no one in their right mind that understands what this thing is telling you is going to short this, knowing that you're above this and you're above your opening range of the day. See that? And the zone, price could be above the zone, right? But above the opening range or below it. But as long as value doesn't flow with it, it's just manipulation. See that? See this right here? It's just manipulation. That's all it is. So how do you trade that? Well, we look at the zone and we go, okay, I don't think that we're going down anymore. So what do I want to see? I want to see this break down and reject this area. Okay. Now you can trade this rejection just like this, right? You get into the trade, however your entry criteria could be, and then your stop goes at the zone. Why? Because if price breaks down through it, it's invalidated. It's not going up anymore, right? So we don't want to trade that. And then we look at to trade the long right here instead of the short, and it pushes up. Now, how could we actually get into this without just randomly selecting buy, which is probably the worst thing you could do? And the idea is, well, we can look for an imbalance or a complete hard rejection of price that is shoving down into it, which means buyers are absorbing the sellers. And if you look at this, we get another swing high, which is a lower low, and more people are selling. Look at the crash in this candle right here. This candle is a massive 1 minute candle, right? You're looking at a 35.1 minute candle and immediately rejects with a hammerhead, right? So that could be one way to get into that price there, or into that trade there. Or we could look at, well, we just created this imbalance. We're shoving up through it right here, and we don't hold it. So what do? Well, we could just go like this, right? And then look at that right there. So there's another way you could get into the entry. I would actually use this as a second entry, right? And then we're stop loss could go down here, and then we could target our 2-to-1s or however we're going to target these things. And there you go. So I just want to throw that out there. This tool right here is called the First Light Beacon. It is patent pending. There is nothing else like it on the market available to retail traders. And you can apply to use it. This isn't open to everybody. There is an application at firstlightbeacon.com. This will show you which true direction to trade after any type of liquidity sweep that you want to spot. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. For those of you who are smart enough to watch to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a little trick. This is one of our oscillators down here. It's called Surge. Looks like a MACD kind of, but it's not. It has nothing to do with MACD. This is all about volume. All right. Now we have 930 breaking in right here. We're above our zone. We're above our orb. We're actually interacting with an institutional ladder zone. This is another one of our indicators that shows where price is going and where it's touching and things like that. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for this to come down and touch the 0.5 line right here. Comes down, touches 0.5, rejects, pushes up. What are we looking for? An imbalance. ICT traders call this a fair value gap. The rest of the world calls it an imbalance. It's right here. Here's on your 5-minute chart. This all confirms you have these blue and green lines above the zero. This is green on the histogram. You're above this. You're above everything. You got your retracement. Finally, you got your imbalance. You pulled back into it. Your entry is looking something like this. Your stop loss is looking something like that. And then we're targeting the next institutional zone that makes sense. And there it is. Come check it out. Get the tools. Back test it yourself.
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling up, life's a daily grind, but there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find. Scroll through endless feeds, searching for a sign, then you stumble on a channel where your stars align. Break out, hunt to show the way, step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Strategies, lessons every day, from the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take, building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back, unlock the doors you lack. Break out, hunt to show the way, step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Change empowered minds within our range, sharing wisdom, spreading light, turning darkness into bright. Break out, hunt to show the way, step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you, join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Together we will rise. faith in God, breakout hunter by your side.